just called you up to let you know your man been messing around. He been messing around. I guess he didn't know you would only, cause he swam in my DM.
Let's just focus. This is what I'm taking to the beach. I got some towels. This is like a unicorn towels for my daughter. I got these from like Marshalls, which was a good deal, like $12.99 for them. I think this one was like $14, but the quality is really good. So I'm gonna put this in my beach bag. It's like this big. I know they have like towels for like the sand, but I did not have time. Oh, look at that. This is Summer Vibe. I love it. Super cute. So this is going in my beach bag. Just gonna fold it up. And also some glasses go in my beach bag. I want to bring something that I don't care if it get messed up, and this, if I like scratch it or something, I don't care, but it's my daughter's. But you also want to make sure that you bring your case because you don't want to mess it up. Now, I'm not a fan of a hat because my head is really small and it's really hard to find something to stay on, but I'm just gonna bring this just in case. I might not even wear it, but yeah. Of course, you go to the beach, you need some sunscreen. Those are for the kids. And this is for me and my husband. I'm gonna try this Target brand, but I got that. Of course, these for the children, my boys. I got this for my face. So that's the spray. I got my daughter a hat. What else? I got this. It's kind of like you lay it down on the sand. Maybe I'll do a video of it once I'm at the beach. But you lay it down for the sand. I'm bringing my Starbucks cup with some little drinks up in here. Okay. This is my daughter little swimming outfit from Target. Absolutely love it. And her little shorts that she's gonna be wearing. This is the boys. And I got her this cute little beach bag. So I thought it was cute for the beach, for her to hold it. Of course, you need tools for the kids. We got her like 2 buckets. And her little water shoes, right? So that's everything that's gonna go to the bag. It's not that much, just a few things that I'm taking. And then for snack, we're gonna have Pringles. I love the barbecue Pringles. We're gonna have fruit snack for the kids. We're gonna have some crackers. And this is my snack. I love me some of this. Sour cream and onions, toasted chips. Those are so good, guys. Check it out. And of course, some juice. You already know I'm gonna have my little alcohol to the side. Alcohol to the side. Who's gonna be drinks for sure. I'm bringing this game to play. If you don't know, ask somebody. But yes, so this is everything. So, and I got my daughter this beach chair. It has the umbrella just in the back. And it's a unicorn chair. She could just sit. And I think it's so cute. Oh my gosh, to die for. And of course, this is, this is like a cooler. I'm gonna put drinks and everything in here. These are my beach bag. I got this bag when I went to Toulon. The hotel gave this to us. So I'm gonna bring that. And then I'm just bringing this one. So let's pack everything up. Another snack that I absolutely love, okay? So that's that. The towels. think I'm gonna use this bag for all the snack. So put these at the bottom. I am frying my own chicken. I don't like big chicken. I like small chickens. So I wanted to make my own. Let me show you. Ooh, chicken in the making. See, I like my chicken very small. I don't like no big chicken. We gotta be at the beach at 10. Okay, so this is my daughter bag. I want to show you guys what I'm putting in her bag for the beach. Just because, you know, she's still a toddler. This is her swim diapers. She is potty trained, but because we're going to be on a roll, I might put regular diapers on her while we are on the road. So that go in her bag. Put wipes in her bag. And then change of clothes. That's important. So just some little shorts. This is her underwear, but and a top. And then this is another shirt and a top and a shirt and a bottom. So, you know, after the beach, she can have a change of clothes. And then, you know, the weather is like crazy a little bit, so I'm gonna pack like a hoodie. Who knows, if it's cold, she's good. Actually, I'm gonna put a hoodie at the bottom because we might not use it, but I just like to bring it. And maybe something long, just if it's cold. But that's it. I'll put her swim and one underwear in her bag. And that is it for her bag. She's ready. So now I'm just gonna make the chicken and then I will talk to you guys once we are ready to go.
Y'all don't want more.
Time to go. He's still sleeping. I have to wake him up. Ouch, what's wrong with you this morning? He still gotta make sandwiches, guys, and he still has to make sandwiches, so I had to wake him up. Sandwich for the beach. This is his specialty. Okay.
Oh, specialty?
What is it then?
I don't know. It's a cook a sandwich.
It's not cook a sandwich. It's make a sandwich.
Cook.
Are you cooking?
Yeah, that's how you burn a sandwich. Because why don't you eat it cold?
Okay. And of course, guys, you already know, Henny on deck. Okay. It's going down. Basement. And I'm still making my chicken, okay? Slowing me down. I'm getting late, but okay.
Baby, your sandwiches are in this bag, baby.
The kind of girl that you will be down for. Oh, yeah, you ready for this? Hey guys, we are finally in the car. It is 9:20. It's 9:36. The goal was to leave here at 9 o'clock.
It is 9:30.
Of course, we're running behind time, but yeah, we are. Everything is in the back, and we're ready to go. Talk to you guys. One kid was missing. What up, AD? Do the dance for them. Your little cute self. That's my little twin right there. Let me see your twin. Adrian, you mommy twin. You don't know that?
No.
We look just alike. See? Who I look like, you?
No. You look more like a Mora.
I look like a Mora? That's true too.
Make sure to like mommy's video. Get these hands,
Same again, I heard him.
You're gonna get these hands.
Guys, we are, it's 11.
Yeah, mommy, it's 11.
It's 11:03 and we are here
We're about
just
to be
trying to
there,
get a
Mommy.
parking spot.
So
Let me show you guys. Here we go. We're trying to go to the parking lot, and yes, it's a beautiful day. This
Yo,
is
put this in my book bag.
all the stuff we got.
I don't know.
Hi, Mora.
Why do we bring so much stuff?
Cause we need it.
No, we don't, Mommy.
Okay, you're gonna starve today then.
No, I'm not.
She's not gonna scooch nothing.
Right there. Sure.
Hi, baby.
You sure you don't want to walk? Because this thing's heavy.
You don't want to walk more?
You do?
Okay, guys. This is the look.
Jasmine's supposed to be coming with Talia. So
When? Yes.
Who's sitting in that one? But this is the one I bought for you. This is a bigger chair.
Yeah, I didn't know. Beach life, guys. It is so crowded here at this beach. It's crazy. I have never seen the beach this packed before. It is crazy. Like, it's worse. The camera not even showing you guys. See, my green cup is lit. Wait, when you guys go to the bathroom, yo, seriously, the worst spot they stop.
but you gotta do that in. Not like that. That's in, but in the hand.
She say, do you love me? I tell her,
I only love my bed and my mama. I'm sorry.
The lady that's supposed to be vlogging, her daughter is knocked out. Welcome to Wede Unlimited. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, rate. If you have any more video ideas, maybe if you want her to sleep more or talk more, make sure you comment down below.
Beach day.
Gang, gang, nigga.
Yo, I think it's my I think it's my sunscreen.
Don't put it in your eyes, bro. I'm good, yo. Mara, what's up, baby? You want your thing?
Come on, more.
Give me your thing. You cool as hell. Look at it.
Wow.
It's sand by your mouth.
Ooh, Sam, me, you shaking. What? You cold. Get out the water.
Yo, you know where all her stuff is? Her sand, that's all hers, right? All that stuff.
Yeah. Set, go. All right, right there, come back. Hello. Good job. some fries. Some good burgers. And pizza. Guys, it is 7:20 and we're still here. Hold your hand. Sammy, Adrian, where you guys? We should swing you. Okay, hold on. We're gonna try it, okay? 1, 2, 3. That's good, girl. Oh, I messed